Well, good morning, y'all. It is a very wet and soppy Monday morning, Monday, June 22nd. And with this severe storms that we had early this morning, it was more of a flash flooding event than a damaging wind event. We did get some reports of damaging winds, but most of the reports that have came in were flash floods. And as you can see, this rain is still moving through northeast Arkansas. It is not over just yet. If we get a look at radar estimated totals, Paragould about 1.5 inches, and then as you go into southern Greene County, about 2 inches. Northern Craighead County is about 2.5 inches. But as you go down into Poinsett County, Harrisburg, Truman, Weiner, they're getting about 7 inches of rain. Of course, that is just radar estimated, but it could be even more than that in some areas. So they are under flash flood warning. This is observed. It does have a considerable damage threat, and it expires in 4 hours. So turn around, don't drown. Even if you're in like Paragould, Walnut Ridge, if a road is flooded, turn around, don't drown. Okay, it's not worth your life. So yeah, that's kind of what we're dealing with this morning, and we actually got over 3 inches of rain so far here at my location. So the rain is still continuing to push through our area, and it's going to continue even on throughout the afternoon, the early afternoon. So we are far from over with this rain, and we could be seeing rainfall totals, especially in like Craighead and Poinsett County, to be over maybe even 8 inches. That is just absolutely insane. So most of this rain should be out of here by 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But this has definitely been more of a flash flooding event than a damaging wind event, which, of course, we predicted that flash flooding would be a possibility. But I didn't think it would be this drastic. So if we get a look at the GFS and kind of get a more long-range forecast on things, we can see rain continues to push its way through, and then right around Wednesday, model predicts that some showers coming in Wednesday morning, and then we stay predominantly dry, although some showers could work their way in later in the week. Again, this is just a computer model, so this is not really too accurate because it's a long-range model. But let's go ahead and get a look at the extended forecast. So today's going to be a high of 82 showers, then a smaller chance of showers as we go later into the day. Tonight, low of 66, partly cloudy. Tuesday, high of 82, mostly sunny. Excuse me. Tuesday night, low of 68, mostly clear, then a chance of showers. Wednesday, 60% chance of rain, high of 84, showers will be likely. And then Wednesday night, 50% chance of rain, low of 70, chance of thunderstorms, then a chance of showers. Thursday, high of 86, slight chance of thunderstorms, then a bigger chance of thunderstorms as we go later into the day. Thursday night, low of 71, 50% chance of rain. Friday, high of 86, chance of thunderstorms, and a chance of showers. So, y'all just make sure to turn around and don't drown, especially today. And as you can see, the visibility is only 1 3/4 of a mile. So visibility is down a little bit too. But let's get a look at the Weather Prediction Center maps. So here's a look at the Weather Prediction Center maps, and this is the excessive rainfall forecast, and we are in a moderate risk, at least a 40% chance of exceeding flash flood guidance within 25 miles of a point. So if you were to take a point, like if I were to put my finger on Paragould, there's at least a 40% chance that rainfall would exceed flash flood guidance within a 25-mile radius. And then tomorrow, most of us are gonna be outside of that marginal risk. But as we go later into the week, we're gonna be in that marginal risk again for excessive rainfall, and then again on day 4, and then again on day 5. So excessive rainfall is going to be a very big topic And if we get a look at the national forecast chart, we can see this cold front start to make its way in, and we are in that heavy rain and flash flooding possible shaded area. So that cold front moves its way through. And then on day 3, we do have a chance of seeing some heavy rainfall. So y'all really just stay safe. Well, excuse me. Stay safe out there. Sorry, I just woke up. Stay safe out there. Turn around. Don't drown, because it is not worth your life. It's really not. Let's just be honest, guys. Next to extreme heat, I believe flooding is the second top weather phenomenon that kills people. So definitely take this seriously and turn around, don't drown. So y'all have a great day. Stay safe, and just try to avoid any flooded roads that you see. So I'll see y'all later today.